Hey, hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are in Courtyard by Marriott Bangkok and checking out one of the recently renovated rooms on 12th floor, in particular 1222. Come on in and see how this room looks like. So I was in this hotel last time a year ago doing my quarantine and for 2 weeks, and then the room had an old layout. It was deeper colors, a bit of like darker tones. This time it's so fresh and bright, starting with this bright closet, which has some robes, umbrella, quite a big safe, slippers, ironing equipment inside. And on the opposite side you have the bathroom. So the bathroom, it doesn't have a bathtub, but there is quite a nice sink area, lots of space, all kind of amenities you might need. They are using the Courtyard specific Nearby brand, Nearby Botanicals. And the cool thing is that you can also see it through the kind of window to the room and outside. There is a toilet area with a bidet shower, and then on the other side we have here a shower booth, quite spacious, and you have just the shower handle. And we have here Nearby Botanicals big, I see 360 milliliter shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. I see that it says bergamot and tea series, so this kind of botanical thing. But let's see what else is there. So here we have luggage area. Looks like perfect for one suitcase. This is the mini bar. You get 2 complimentary bottles of water each day, and you can drink it at the room temperature, or you can cool it down. You can heat it up to make a tea. There is a mini fridge with a mini bar contents, some soft drinks and beer. And if you are talking about tea and coffee, they have some Tilmach teas, English breakfast, and traditional oolong and jasmine green tea, and then some Nescafe coffee. There is a big TV, flat screen, and a working desk. And this is pretty decent. Like decent office chair that is ergonomical, and you could probably work for hours. I see 2 charging slots as well. No, actually 3 if you distinguish this. And then you see this is like a good practical lamp that you can turn, and then it can give you the extra light for the evening video calls if needed. And you can basically adjust it position-wise, how intense you want the light to be. You have another table, so you can eat here if there is 2 of you or alone. And in this room particular, they have 1 king-size bed, 4 pillows at the side. I see that USB charging points on both sides, and one side has also the normal charging points and the USB charger / Bluetooth speaker from JBL, and the clock as well. And we have armchair here, and being on 12th floor we have some views of the neighboring buildings, and if you look really down you can see also the swimming pool of the hotel. It's not too big, but it's still, you can take a plunge, swim a bit. There are some day beds. You can like chill around, read a book or something like that. So very practical. The location is great as well. We are just like in a walking distance to Siam, to Shitlom, BTS stations and the malls nearby. So it's a great location, and the prices usually here are quite affordable. So in that sense, like just after renovations, it could be a good base to be. And sometimes they have also good long-term rates. If you stay 5 nights or longer, you can check on the website. If you have some more questions regarding this Courtyard here in Bangkok, put it in the comments below. We are happy to get back to you. If there are some aspects we didn't cover, put it also in the comments below. If you have some suggestions, what are the hotels we could also review you're interested in here in Bangkok, let us know, and we try to put it in the pipeline. And if there is something you didn't like, you can also mention that. If you want to stay up to date of all the next reviews you're making and you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and you would be the first one to be notified of all the next reviews we are making. Thank you for watching this episode and see you soon again in a new property.